Twitch app is now available on LG webOS TVs. You can download it for free from LG Content Store and start watching mainly gaming, but also other streams on your TV. The following notification appeared this week on my C9 OLED TV with webOS 4.5. LG Smart TV is excited to announce the release of Twitch, a welcomed addition to our Smart TV service as part of our efforts to provide a better experience for our users. In the past, you could watch Twitch using a built-in web browser or using Game Streams app, but this is the first time an official Twitch app is available. The app should be available for all regions. At least that is my conclusion after selecting a few different countries in the LG Services country list. Just visit the LG Content Store and look for it. The interface is very simple and compatible with LG Magic Remote. It offers a main menu with videos divided into different categories and a browse section where categories are sorted by popularity. It is also possible to look for specific channels via a built-in search, which supports input via the on-screen keyboard or using the voice commands. In the current version of the app, it is not possible to log in to your Twitch account or to record the streams. You can see the comments displayed along the stream, but you cannot write your own comments. But what is good is that you can toggle between full-screen video or video plus comments. I tested the app on LG C9 OLED TV and it was working fast and video quality was excellent. There were no stability issues. As this is an official Twitch app, I guess it will remain available for a long time and that we will see some upgrades over time. The app is already available on Android TVs and I suppose that it will soon be available for Samsung's Tizen OS as well. According to FlatPanelsHD, the app is confirmed to work on TVs with webOS 3.5 and newer. As I only have access to webOS 4.5, let me know in the comments section which webOS version you have on your TV and do you have the Twitch app. As always, thanks for watching.